Kumshi benta ban penklan ya kobe jaka pulia bagan la ban ai ke jing syakri ka bakham bhai ke samla pulia. Hakasi pale jong tayo menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula plia pat ba ek auditorium ki kamra pulia bat ki wei ke Jingtei ke bathymmai jong ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong ka bahap halat mkra. Menteri rang ba ula plia pat ba ek artili project kata ban snai ke auditorium bat ki kamra pulia deng ba ka Jingtei tengka jong ke NEC bat ka rusa. Kabala bay tengka ban tei bat penbhai kene ke jaka pulia. Kat ba usumbut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba prestun tensong ula plia ke surok rong kabala shna da ketenat PWD roads. Hagani ke jingalang le don rengkat u commissioner bat secretary ketenat puli puthi u Dr. BDR Tiwari ka principal jong ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong i Dr. Mrs. V Karmo Plang ki he officer sarkar kinohikai ki samla pulia bat kiwi-kiwi. Konrad Kongkal Sangma habakren kum ukongsan. Uloong bakaran ke jingdawa ke bajur kene ke jaka pulia na gebenta ke bakwa banyo ke jaka pulia. Kumta kalong kebedan kam ban penyar bat penhe kene ke college. Bat usngo kumen bani I bagladan ke jing penhe ya kene ke jaka pulia. Uloong bak sarkar jela kelabu hakmat ke pulia putih wala kamat ke babon ke jing Lakade ke jing bambiang ke jaka pulia ke jing ai jing hikai ya kino hikai kajing don bon kerdan kino hikai ya kaba on omla ban penkelana le ai no mentahi namar kindon bon ki benta ki bah banyat hakelenti ke banlong ke berhenti Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bag sarkar kala pendon kam daga khajna ke beli alum naki marpo khendo ban kentiu ke puli puthi bad ki snem ki bamenchwa ke sarkar kam shimla pendon kam ya ke khajna Uba prestun tensong ulong bagi nohikai kilong ke bakong san bha agaban ai ke jingnang jing start. Bat ulong kumne kumba ulong menta kedai namar bagi nohikai kila ai ke jing hikai. Bat ulong bagi sarkar kan chimkhya bah kisnem ke banwan kan nilai ban penlong ya ke jela kum kata ke babit ke babiang tam hakalan ke pule putih.
We are meant to live for all. We are called to live, we are called to give, to build a better world. And now is the time for us to start. Now is the chance to give our hearts for everyone who needs our love and care.
You're aware that education has been one of the top priorities for us. And when I say that, I know that a lot of people expect that everything should change in a matter of years or months. But the education sector in itself is one of the biggest challenges, I should say, for the state of Meghalaya. Because the kind of systems that are existing right now, the kind of lack in infrastructure that we have, the kind of lack in training that we have, the kind of different categories of numbers of teachers. We have more than 26 categories of teachers in our state right now. And we have almost close to more than about 16,000 schools as we speak and colleges right now. Whereas compared to our state of Meghalaya, like a state like Manipur, which is equally in terms of population and area, they have close to about 4,000-5,000 schools. So we have almost 3 times more schools than other states which have the similar population like ours. Have just 25% of the number of schools and institutes. So clearly shows the kind of challenges that are there, and these cannot be changed in one day. These require efforts to be made and systematic efforts, because there are people who are engaged in this, livelihoods are affected in this, huge financial implications are there, set systems which need to be then changed needs to be done. These things cannot be done in one swift blow. It requires us to systematically move and change things, and that's the reason why education is very, very complicated sector for us in our state.